Today we're making a delicious low-carb lemon curd cheesecake. It's so good, no one will even know that it's sugar-free, low-carb, and gluten-free. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit on the bake setting with no fan. Line the base of a springform pan with baking paper. In a large bowl, combine the almond meal, sweetener, and butter and stir well to combine. Once the ingredients are well mixed in, spoon the mixture onto the base of your lined pan. I like to use the base of a flat-bottomed glass to press the base down and get it really smooth and a nice even thickness all over. Use a spatula to tidy up the edges of the base to make sure there are no gaps or holes. Bake the base for 10 minutes or until very lightly browned around the edges. Remove from the oven and let cool to room temperature. This step can be done up to a day before you make the rest of the cheesecake and will result in a firmer, less crumbly base. When you're ready to make the cheesecake filling, reduce the oven temperature to 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a stand mixer, cream together the cream cheese and sweetener for 4 to 5 minutes. You will need to scrape down the sides of the bowl frequently to ensure even mixing. Next we're going to add the vanilla, followed by the lemon juice and zest, and then we're going to continue mixing well to combine. Add the yogurt, beating on a medium speed to combine. Add the eggs slowly, one at a time, leaving the mixer beating on a medium speed between each egg. You want to make sure that each egg is well combined before adding the next one. The mixture should be thick and smooth by now. Pour the cheesecake filling into the pan, spreading evenly over the base, and bake in the oven for about 70 minutes until the edges of the cheesecake are just turning golden, but the middle is still a little bit wobbly. When it's done, turn the oven off, but leave the cheesecake in the oven for about another 45 minutes to cool. Then remove and let it cool to room temperature. Cover with cling film and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight until required. While the cheesecake is cooling, it's time to make the lemon curd. In a large heat-proof glass bowl, whisk together the egg yolks, lemon zest and juice, and the powdered sweetener. Heat a pot of water over a medium heat and place the glass bowl on top to create a double boiler. Whisk the egg mixture constantly over the double boiler until it thickens and becomes foamy. Depending on the speed of your whisking, this will take between 9 to 15 minutes. Once the mixture has thickened, remove from the heat and strain through a sieve. You might need to push the mixture through the sieve with a spatula. Lastly, stir through the butter. Once the butter has fully melted and combined, let the lemon curd cool to room temperature, then cover with cling film and refrigerate until needed. Take the cheesecake out of the fridge 30 minutes before serving. If necessary, warm the lemon curd slightly in the microwave to loosen it up. Just before serving, pour the lemon curd over the cheesecake, spreading it with a spatula if necessary. Slice and serve the cheesecake with a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy your guilt-free dessert.